we might be getting a race season yet. Look at that, I haven't even cleaned this sucker from the end of last season. Anyway, it's time to get our off-season maintenance done, get this sucker ready to run. So hopefully when the tracks do open up and we do start racing again, it'll be go time. First things first, I've got to mount this switch panel. I'm having a bit of an argument with myself about whether I do what the normal person would do and just mount the switch panel up, bolt it in and see you later. Issue with that is I've drilled the dash holes in this thing with to set a switch. I used to, and I've got it in my pocket, I think. Yep, in my pocket. Run a single switch that does everything. Ignition on, start. It's a two-way switch. And I don't know what I'm going to do there. Tyler, my crew chief, keeps telling me that not to be an idiot, just do what everyone else does and just mount that switch panel and use it. Me, I'm a little bit keen to go back to my switch. The problem with that is it's simpler, lighter and smaller. The problem with it though is that if something goes wrong with it, I'm the only one that runs this type setup. Where, you know, everyone's got a switch that I can steal to put in the car to get going if I need to. But I also carry a spare one of these in the truck, so that's my dilemma at the minute. Which way do I go? Can't find a spanner small enough for that nut, so we're going to go with the old vice grips. Probably a small screwdriver too. Hey, look at that, it works. Couple of cable ties, a little bit of tape, that'll be good to run.